First and foremost, shooting. Shooting, reading the wind, work of the scouts, work of the sappers. We know how to operate with any weapon, with any means necessary to successfully complete the task.
Hello.
My call sign is Tanto. I'm a sniper in the sniper detachment of the Azov brigade. Our job, if it's eliminating enemy personnel or denying their movement, their ability to mass, means we can go out for 1 to 3 days, roughly 24 to 72 hours. If the task is reconnaissance, observation, and everything that comes with that, our missions, of course, stretch a lot longer. We can operate for up to 7 days, about 168 hours. Today we'll walk through the kit we need for a mission where we have to eliminate the enemy on the approaches to our troops. This is planned as a 2-day sortie, about 48 hours. Today I'll show you what a sniper needs for that job. Let's start from the head and go down to the feet. Here, a fast type helmet fitted with Peltor headphones. Contact 5. Good headphones that can be hooked up to the radio. This is US Armor, the IOTV-4. What are its advantages? It distributes the weight well across the whole body. The ballistic protection on this kit is present on every panel: shoulders, the sides, the front, and so on. Ballistic protection is Class 3A. The plate weighs 1.3 kilograms, I reckon, about 2.9 pounds. That combination is the most optimal. In other words, speed, weight, protection. Pouches. Warrior and SAUT system. Good pouches, I recommend them. 2 mags fit into each pouch, which gives us 6 magazines in quick access on the plate carrier. The patch carrier from the firm Ataka also has ballistic protection, a pouch where we keep the PVS for night work. If it's daytime work, we can ditch the night optics and so on. Tourniquet, absolutely 1 on each side. 2 tourniquets. A pouch for the radio. At the back, a first aid kit with fast access for both right and left hands. This is a load-bearing system that lets us shift weight from our back to our hips. 2 magazines on the left side, 1 on the right. Why on the right? If our left arm is wounded and we need a fast reload, we can change the mag with the right hand. We always carry 2 grenades. I personally use the VOG-17 with American UZRGM fuses. Behind me, I also have an admin pouch, a knife I carry on me, a multi-tool. And when I can, I chuck a protein bar or some other energy snack in here for a quick bite. And, of course, a dump pouch for magazines. If the job is at short ranges, I also attach a pouch for a sidearm. For us, that's a Glock 17. As an additional weapon, a rifle, the UAAR-15 15C. The specialty of this rifle is the short barrel, the ability to move freely when clearing rooms and so on. I use an ACOG sight with a small red dot collimator mounted on top. The backpack is packed, and I'll repeat, everything here is meant for 2 days. The task might be given to us for 1 day, but we always carry extra, 2 to 3 days worth just in case. Bars, batteries. These are essential for a sniper's work. This is a notebook. I use a waterproof notebook. A Kestrel meteorological station. The Elite Ballistic model. What is it, and why do we need it? I'll explain briefly. It's a handheld portable weather station that helps us at long ranges to determine wind speed and wind direction. It then gives a ready-made correction for the exact distance we're shooting at. Support the channel with a like and subscribe. The backpack is designed for quick access to the lower, central, and top compartments. What exactly do I carry in the pack? A camo net, a Gore-Tex jacket, a sniper's shooting bag that we use when working with the rifle. We place it either under the buttstock or under the forend of the rifle when we shoot from unconventional positions, from the knee, standing, and so on. Next, we carry a suppressor, because our work requires maximum quiet and stealth. We use quality, reliable gear that cuts our signature. We also use a tactic called masking the shot. What is masking the shot? In the theater of operations, there are usually other shots and explosions going off around you. We time our shots to those explosions or nearby firing, masking our report so the enemy can't immediately pinpoint our exact position. That allows us the chance to work again from the same position. Also in the pack is a rangefinder to determine distance and enter the correct ballistic corrections for the rifle. The pack always contains a reserve of food. That's enough for me for 2 days. One full meal plus energy bars. Protein bars for quick snacks. Ammunition for the sniper rifle. .338 caliber. A 300 grain HPBT hollow point boat tail round. A solid cartridge that performs well at long ranges. The rucksack also carries extra ammo for assault rifles, because any mission, however safe it looks on paper, carries risks, and we must be ready. A Cry precision poncho. As you can see, it's very compact. If we work at close ranges, we pick our camouflage carefully, matching the terrain, the vegetation around us, the season, and so on. The backbone pouch of my pack holds the tripod, a Leophoto carbon tripod. We can mount the sniper bag on it and work standing, sitting, whatever the situation demands. The tripod can also be used by a spotter to secure day or night optics and other equipment. The sniper system includes the rifle itself. In our case, an Accuracy International multi-caliber with a swap-out barrel system for .308 and .338 calibers. On mine, I have the .338 barrel installed, which is what I use. A Leupold Mark V HD optic with a magnification range up to about 5 to 25 times. A solid scope that will let you work at any distance. The barrel length on this rifle is 27 inches, approximately 68.6 centimeters. The twist rate is 1 to 9.35, as said on this barrel. The rifle takes a 10-round magazine and has a folding stock. The weight of the rifle is roughly 6.6 kilograms, about 14.6 pounds. Overall length 1,225 millimeters, approximately 48.2 inches. Effective engagement range up to 1,500 meters, about 1,640 yards, roughly 0.93 miles. With the right skill, you can close targets at even greater distances. In our unit, there's a dedicated team of instructors who do a solid job training the snipers themselves. We teach camouflage. We teach the specifics of our trade. First and foremost, it's shooting, understanding wind at every distance, the readiness to work in different terrain, the ability to pick the right position, mask yourself, and complete the mission successfully. What we need from you is simple: good physical fitness, endurance, and above all, the hunger to learn. We don't just train our core skills, we also dig deep into reconnaissance work and sapper work. We're ready and able to operate with any weapon, using any means necessary to successfully carry out the task.